Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look forecast on this April 14th. We've got a lot of rain across southern Kentucky this morning, and the rain still coming down. Looks like much of your morning will be covered in rain. There could be some more in the afternoon, just scattered light showers, but the coverage this morning is pretty good. This is AAA Systems Live Weather Cam looking from exit 22 of I-65 and Scottsville Road. The raindrops on the camera lens. Not much to see there because there's just a lot of rain. And there's a lot of standing water on the roadways too. Be careful of that. So far, rainfall totals 0.32 of an inch of rain as of 3:45 this morning here in Bowling Green. 1900s in Nashville, 4100s in Paducah. And that's just since this morning. Current temperatures mild in the 60s. We're about as warm as we're going to get today. There's going to be a little bit of a cooler front that's going to come through, and it's going to help taper off the rain, but it's also going to cool us down just a little bit. We'll actually be cooler this afternoon than we are right now. Temperatures are in the 60s for the most part out to the east of us, but out to the west we're seeing some 50s now that are showing up this morning, evidence of that cool front as it starts to make its way in. So far, Kentucky Mesonet sites showing anywhere from a half inch of rain or so on average, although we're seeing a couple of places where we're seeing there's 7/10 in Madisonville, there's 6/10 up in E-Town and Hodgenville, half inch of rain Litchfield, Munfordville, 3/10 of an inch of rain thus far here in Bowling Green. And that pretty much pans out everybody getting in on the rain. Here's Doppler Max HD radar, covered this morning with all the rain. Some of the rainfall light to moderate. We're not really getting any very heavy rain, but you can see the movement of the rain is off to the north. It's pretty odd movement, but it's surrounding that area of low pressure that's just out to the west of us. And here's an even better picture of that movement of the rain over the last 3 hours, how it's just kind of lining up right there along the western Kentucky and Bluegrass parkways and continuing to ease off to the north. Notice here toward the south of us, it's starting to taper off just a little bit. Everything's pushing northward. So I think we may see the rains easing off as we get on into the afternoon. But until then, we have to watch for a lot of water around the area. Flood watch in effect for much of the Bowling Green and area east. As you see there, it doesn't take in the entire WBKO viewing area, but mainly along the Green River Basin and out to the east till 10 o'clock this morning. And rain chances are going to be in the forecast every single day this week. At least it's in some form or fashion. It's not going to rain like it is today, but at some point you're going to see showers, scattered showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm as we go through the next few days, even into the weekend. Future Max Predictor showing everything lining up just as you saw it on the radar. Pretty good rainfall right there along the parkways. As we get into, say, midday, still some light rain right across the Bowling Green area and to the north. As we get into the afternoon, there'll just be some little light scattered showers possible. As we get into early tomorrow morning, though, here comes the next wave of energy, mainly along and east I-65 and over toward southeastern Kentucky. Then that one pulls away and leaves a little bit of light rain for us. We're going to keep in a chance of scattered showers. And here's Thursday morning, very early. We're looking at from scattered showers and a few thunderstorms that will be popping up off and on as we go through the next few days. And between now and say Thursday evening, we're looking at what could amount to about 2.5 inches of rain here in Bowling Green, with some higher amounts of 3, possibly even 4 inches of rain total as we go through the end of the work week. So this is going to aggravate some of the flooding issues along the creeks and streams and rivers and lakes here in southern Kentucky. So be advised, once you go out this morning, there's a lot of standing water on the roadways, a lot of places where you could possibly hydroplane if you're going too fast. You need to slow down, stay about 10 to 15 miles per hour under the posted speed limit in some cases, especially on the parkways and interstates. That's where you can run into trouble real fast. You'll hit some standing water and then lose control of your vehicle. We don't want that to happen, so just take it easy this morning. Otherwise, we're not looking for any severe weather, maybe not even a rumble of thunder in some cases. This is just going to be a general rainfall. That'll do it for this edition. I'll be live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, streaming live to the WBKO app and to WBKO.com. Know the weather before it knows you. Thanks for watching. God bless and have a good day.